Hello, this is Glamstract here. In today's video, I'm really excited because I'm going to try something very new, which literally just dropped. Now, of course, I haven't got all the products that she came out with. I only got one box that contains two minis. Fenty Beauty by Rihanna, Bomb Baby 2. This is the basically what Rihanna came out with just recently. In this package, you get a mini lip and face set. So we got two. Really excited to try this because as you guys been able to see, I always use Fenty Beauty products, from the foundations, the primers, the matchsticks for contour, for highlighting, the bronzers, the setting powder, the Pro Filter setting powder as well. I got the concealers. What else? I got more. I got tons of highlighters. No guys, I want to show you. I really do. Here, so all of these highlighters, these are all highlighters. I am obsessed with Rihanna highlighters. I got the where is it? I got so much stuff in front of me right now. Brow pencil, which is amazing. I got the hydrating foundation plus the matte foundation. It's literally like I am obsessed with what Rihanna is coming up with, and I hope she come up more. I know my bank account is not happy because I don't have that much money. If everybody's wondering, I don't have that much money. Honestly, my job pay me like just like a minimum wage kind of thing, so you know, but I honestly don't have any other addiction. Like, I don't do holidays, I don't drink, I don't smoke, I honestly don't have any of these addictions. So all my like money kind of goes for like food and makeup, which is, I know it sounds insane, but it's my passion and I really like this. Oh, I forgot the cheek hugging blush, sorry, so excited. But yeah, let's get this to the test. So if we open it, it's got, of course I opened this before because I was so excited. It's got this nice like suede, kind of suede feeling black thing, and this is what it came up with. This is the highlighter, which we're gonna try in a second. And this is the mini lip gloss. First, I want to try the highlighter. So you can see it's a nice kind of champagne, yeah, kind of like champagne. So it's like called Sand Castle. Hold on a minute. I heard that name before, and I just went through my highlighters and I already got Sand Castle. What? Yes, I got the highlighter duo. Now I need to see if it's the same. Oh my god. I literally got Sandcastle and Mint Mojito. I thought it was new. Guys, look. They're not really the same. Like, this one seems lighter than this one. This one seems darker. This one is lighter. So yeah. Okay, Antonio. I think they're different. They got the same name, but it looks slightly different, so yeah, maybe a better version of this one, who knows. Let's just try it. So I'm gonna take this highlighter brush from BH Cosmetic. Just gonna dab in a little bit because I don't know, I know that Rihanna's highlighters are like high pigmentation in terms of glitter, so I'm just gonna dip like once or twice and let's see what happens. Oh, beautiful. Look. Wow. It's literally so pretty that I'm gonna add more. Can you guys see that? It's like glass wet. Amazing. Let's do the other cheek. Beautiful. Oh my god, Rihanna work. This is gorgeous. Gorgeous. This is beautiful. I really recommend it, especially if you're on the go and you don't want like a big highlighter sitting in your purse. You just like, look how tiny it is. You can either throw in your purse, like even if you don't have a brush with you, just take your finger, dab it on your cheeks, and you're done for the night. Just refresh your highlighter, because sometimes the oil, the sweat can just get rid of the highlighter through the night. So take that with you. Now I'm moving on to lips, and I'm gonna try the new Fenty Beauty Sweet Mouth. First, I'm gonna smell it and see what it smells like. Oh wow. It smells like, kind of like bubblegum, strawberries, like bubblegum mixed with strawberries and vanilla. Yeah, so I think so, but let's just give it a try and see what it looks like. Wow, look at that. Let's zoom in again for a second. Look at those lips. And this is just one dab. I only dabbed once, and this is the payoff. Literally amazing. Oh, and the smell is so good. Hopefully it's not gonna get too heavy after a bit, but I love this. Gorgeous. So here you guys, the face using the new mini glow set by Rihanna. It's literally amazing. I love this highlighter. It's literally like, it's giving me life. It's giving me like, it's like what you want in your life, you know, like wow. Definitely, if you don't want to buy it, at least go in the shop and try it. If you're in the UK, you can find it in Boots, Harvey Nichols, and I think that's it. Oh, actually, I think, no, just Boots and Harvey Nichols. And yes, it's that time of the video. It's perfume of the day. Lacoste, and it's called Life. This perfume, it's manly, it's beautiful, gorgeous, gorgeous, beautiful. Go in the shop and try it. I think it's not too expensive. It's actually quite a nice price. But thank you very much for watching, and of course, as usual, don't forget to subscribe. You can find me everywhere, Glamstract, Facebook, Glamstract, Instagram, Glamstract, Tumblr, Glamstract, Twitter, Glamstract, and while you're here, why don't you just subscribe? And you know, I usually post video every Saturday, but I'm considering maybe to do it more often, because it's very lazy of me just posting one day a week while you got like Tati that is already that popular and she posts 3 times a week. But of course, you always have to think that Tati, that's her job. I work 5 days a week, and it's like 9 till 5, come back home, have something to eat, chill for a second. It's already like 8, 9, and you feel like tired, and yeah, but yeah, it's commitment, I guess. It's commitment. But yeah, I'm gonna try and post more during the week as well. So we'll do maybe twice a week. I'm not gonna promise anything because my life is quite hectic already. But I will make the effort because I love makeup. I love all of this, and I love you guys that are watching. Thank you very much. So yeah, hopefully I'll see you in the next one. Thanks. Bye-bye.